There's a mouse staring out of the window. His car is trapped in the snow. He's planning family vacation, but he just can't go. Around the next corner's a redbird. His feathers are trapped in a sling. He's trashed by some dumb singing parrot. His jealousy ain't got no grin. There ain't no time to stash the gumbo or rattle around in a cage. Sacrifice drives me bubbles. His fiddle is everywhere in rage. In a hot sand, I render my feet. They blister a cave of debris. Sheds the legs guarding the toe for while angry he kills with glee. Fool writing numbers on sandpaper. He's getting them all to himself. He sends them a couple days later. Put them along his top shelf. And people get tired of shavings and carve up a good